I've had a lot of people from the US contact me recently talking about how they can get involved in rent to rent. So this video, I'm going to show you how you can benefit from the cash flow of real estate without owning any real estate. I'm Simon and I specialize in cash flow in real estate that I do not own. Take all that money, I invest it into real estate that I do own, and then I create financial independence. I look after my family and I'm creating legacy. So if that sounds good, you need to carry on watching this video because I'm not talking about standard rent to rent. I'm not talking about arbitrage. I'm talking about rent to rent 2.0 and how you can build $1 million business doing just this. So if you're brand new to this, let's break it down. The traditional form of real estate investing involves you getting a lump sum, investing in an asset, getting the recurring income, okay? And just waiting until you build up the pot again and waiting and build up the pot again. And it takes forever. What I do is I realize I don't need to own the asset to cash flow it. Airbnb don't own property. Uber don't own cars, okay? So what I'm all about is controlling the asset, borrowing the asset, cash flowing the asset for 5 years. Let's think of it as leasing the asset. And then I invest that money into my lifestyle and more importantly, into assets that I now do own. Okay? Now this channel is dedicated to exactly how you do that. And there's two different ways. One is through multi-units. We call them house shares. Another is through serviced accommodation, AKA Airbnb. So what I want you to do is I want you to comment below and let me know if that sounds good. Because if it does, I'm going to do a lot more content to support and help you. And I would urge you to smash the subscribe button to learn exactly how you can control real estate today to generate massive, massive cash flow. Hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.